Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Irrigate the lawn before 10 a.m. Aeration and/or dethatching can help to improve soil drainage which, in turn, will eliminate the environment mushrooms require in order to thrive. At first sight, remove any mushrooms that appear in the lawn. Doing so will help to prevent their spores from spreading.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baking soda. It is not a permanent solution, but it is gentle, safe, and effective. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda per gallon of water and stir until it is well dissolved. Spray the mixture onto the mushrooms and the surrounding soil. Over time, this will reduce the growth and even kill the mushrooms.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some gardeners complain about mushrooms growing in their yard, citing them as unattractive blemishes. While the large majority of lawn mushrooms are not poisonous, there are a handful that are toxic for dogs, cats and children, and they can even be lethal in the worst cases.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Vinegar kills weeds and grass. On the bright side, it is chemical-free and will not harm humans, animals or water supplies. That said, it is a non-selective herbicide, meaning it will also kill the grass and other nearby plants.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.